Thank you for joining us on a tour of a recently completed custom home project. As you can see, there's still some landscaping and exterior work happening here, but the interior is ready for the clients to move in. I'm super excited to have Carol here. She was the lead designer on this project, but she's been away on mat leave for the last 6 months and hasn't seen the space since before having her baby. So what do you think, Carol? Should we go inside?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's check it out. This project is located on the west side of Vancouver and is approximately 4,300 square feet. Our clients are a young professional couple who were building for themselves, but also resale value in mind. We were introduced to them through the home builder, Woodrose Homes. We had the pleasure of working alongside Adam, my husband, to bring this project to life. If you've seen our personal renovation journey on our YouTube channel, you'll know that this is not the first project we've had the opportunity to collaborate on together. And luckily, after yet another, it will not be our last. Construction on a new home typically poses far less challenges than a renovation. All in all, the construction process went pretty smoothly, with a few minor challenges along the way. One of the biggest challenges was getting this huge 27-foot multi-slide door in place, and actually just here on site. The wait time for this door was much longer than anticipated, so there was a lot of strategic construction planning that went on around its pending arrival. Because of the structural steel pertaining to the door, there was additional insulation that had to be added on the exterior of the home. We came up with some custom trim detailing with Adam to conceal this, making the back of the house aesthetically pleasing and tying in with the surrounding architectural details. We also worked diligently with the client and Adam to come up with the perfect exterior stain color for the cedar shingles, tying into the trim color and granite stone detailing. For those of you that are curious, it is a semi-transparent stain in Benjamin Moore Platinum Gray. The result is a charming beach cottage look, one of my personal favorite styles. As finishing started on the interior of the home, we also had the challenge of concealing some necessary ductwork in the basement, resulting in a coffered ceiling that has become a focal design detail in the space, with beautiful recessed cove lighting. In the kitchen, I love the classic design. It's the perfect space for entertaining large groups, which is one of my favorite things to do in my own home. As much as I try to be organized ahead of time, I always find myself prepping, cooking, cleaning with my guests over, so I always appreciate a nice open layout in a kitchen like this where you're connected with everyone. And who wouldn't want to hang out around this stunning marble island all evening? Stepping into the powder room, you'll experience what's become kind of a signature MDG design, a more moody and darker schemed space. We love to bring a little drama and wow factor to our powder rooms since this is typically the bathroom the guests will be using. It's an elevated space that pays complement to the rest of the home in the colors and finishes used, but brings the drama and contrast to keep things interesting and intriguing. On either side of the powder room, we have the mudroom and office. The mudroom is an open room that can be seen as you enter the house, so we wanted it to be both beautiful and functional. The color of the millwork here adds a pop of interest, and the custom designed cabinetry provides ample storage and organization. The office is situated off the back of the house with a view of the backyard, which isn't quite finished yet. I love the dark blue millwork in here. It really creates a sophisticated feeling space. Once filled with furniture, this will be a space that you won't be able to resist coming to work in. Definitely an ideal work from home situation, that's for sure. As we tour the bedroom level, my favorite space is the stunning primary ensuite. The marble tile throughout is so luxurious and complements so beautifully with the white oak custom cabinetry. We created a large walk-in shower with bench for a relaxing oasis, along with the stunning freestanding tub situated in front of the window. We designed cabinetry on either side of the mirror to maximize storage space and have a place to store things that you might commonly see left out on a countertop, like toothbrushes and hair tools. We know that life can be messy, so we're always trying to think of creative ways to help keep things looking tidy without creating more work for you. Let's take a trip down into the basement and check out the media room. The clients wanted this to be a multi-purpose space, possibly using one end of the room as their gym, with a large sectional and comfortable space for watching movies on the other side. The millwork details are a continuation of the rest of the house, with a color change and tweak of the hardware to individualize the space. As mentioned previously, we had the challenge of concealing some ductwork during the rough-in stages, and the result was this great coffered ceiling and cove lighting detail. Layered lighting is so important in a home, and cove lighting is a perfect way to achieve indirect, low ambient lighting, setting the perfect mood for a media room. Another surprising detail here in the basement is this concealed door, leading us to a basement suite that our clients will be renting out as a mortgage helper. The basement suite is a continuation of the finishing and the look of the rest of this beautiful home. It's such a rewarding process getting the opportunity to work with clients from the early stages of their custom home planning, through the guided design phases with us, and right through to the end of construction. We're so excited for them to finally move in and enjoy all the thoughtful planning that went into this process. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to follow us on social at Madeleine Design Group and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Welcome Home with Madeleine. Thanks for tuning in.